We are at the beginning stages of a community outreach program for the 20 megawatt O'Brien solar field project. This is a project that will be built and developed by EDF but owned by Madison Gas and Electric. We're a distributed utility scale solar project developer. So we go out and procure the land, we engineer the project, we procure all the equipment, and we construct the project as well. And then once the project is all built and operating, the project is then turned over to Madison Gas and Electric for ownership. We have a video here, a video loop of a project we did in Flambeau, Wisconsin about 2 years ago. Albeit a bit smaller project, it's very, very similar to the look and feel of what this project is going to be. It's going to look like at the end of 2020 or mid 2021 when the projects are all done. Yeah, this is a little bit larger project than we did in Flambeau, so it will be built in 3 phases. Each phase is about 6.5 megawatts each. We hope to build the first phase starting summer of 2020, probably the second phase in 2020 as well, and depending on what MGE would like, the third phase in early 2021. The project overall is 20 megawatts AC, so it's enough to power 6,300 homes. It's a good sized project to serve all the MGE customers. We're close to some good infrastructure. Of course, the fields are nice and flat. This project is using a tracker technology, which the solar panels through the day move from east to west, so they track with the sun. That technology, unlike a fixed tilt technology that is facing south all day, this project is going east to west, so it really needs a flat surface or a flat topography. So the O'Brien field, given how large it is and the flat topography, really works out well for this project. O'Briens have a field now, and they're running a crop, but our plan with this project is after we're done, we're going to plant it with a bee pollinator habitat. So technically, it'll still be an agricultural use. We're hoping that a lot of bees and butterflies come in and still work those fields, and we'll maintain them throughout the life of the project with that pollinator habitat. So should be aesthetically pretty pleasing as well. It'll be a different kind of crop, but it'll still be a sort of a working field, if you will. No storage yet. Of course, if MGE decided down the road to add storage, we have available space that we could do that. That's one of those things that we can do it with the project, or we can do it after the project as an add-on. So it's probably to be determined at some point. A lot of utilities are getting into battery storage, so wouldn't be surprised to see MGE decide to do something like that with one of these projects at some point.